Hello students, how are you all? Enjoying? Yeah, I'm back, your EVS teacher from Mount Literacy School, Rampura Fold. So what we were doing? We were discussing the chapter number 4, Plants Around Us. Right? In this chapter, we have discussed about trees, shrubs, herbs, creepers, climbers. That we have completed, that what they are and the examples of them. So today we will continue with this chapter, right? So let's learn more about plants. Different places where plants grow. See, plants grow at different places, not only at one place, not only in one place. It grows in different places, right? So today we will learn about different places where plants grow. Adi's garden. We were discussing about Adi in last lecture. What we were doing? We were discussing about Adi's dream. Okay. So today it is about Adi's garden. Adi's garden has only some kind of plants. So Adi has a garden in his house in which he has plants, but plants are of some kind, not all types. Plants are of some types he has in his garden. Okay, this is because different kinds of plants grow in different places. Why he has some kind of plants? Why he don't have all kind of plants? Why he don't have all types of plants? Because different kinds of plants grow in different places. All kinds of plants can't grow only at one place. All different kinds of plants grow in different places, not only in one place. Every plant needs specific weather and conditions to grow. Why all plants can't grow at one place? Why they need different place to grow? Because each and every plant needs specific weather conditions to grow. They need a particular weather condition. Like some grow in summer, some plants grow in winter, some plants grow in rainy season. We have discussed about seasonal plants, right? Why they are called as seasonal plants? Because they grow only in one season. And why they grow only in one season? Because the growth of plants depends on weather conditions. Which weather condition is suitable for them? कौन सा मौसम उनके लिए suitable है? That is very important requirement for plants to grow. Now let's discuss about different places. In the plains, plants such as rice, wheat and sugarcane grow. Right? In India, the plains. Which kind of plants grow in plains? Rice, wheat, sugarcane. Plants grow in plains. And where coconut trees grow? Coconut trees grow near the sea. Why coconut trees grow near the sea? Because the weather condition near the sea is suitable for coconut trees. Next, trees such as pine, fir, willow, birch, etc. grow on the mountains. Why? Because the weather on mountains are suitable for them. Cactus, date palm, acacia are desert plants. Why they grow in desert? Because the weather in desert is suitable for them. So different plants grow at different places. They can't grow only at one place, because the basic requirement for plants to grow is weather condition. Weather condition should suitable for them. Okay. Next, plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. See in last page what we have discussed. We have discussed about the plants that grow on land, right? We were discussed about plains, near the sea, mountains, desert plants, right? We have discussed about the plants that grow on land. But now we are discussing about the plants that grow in water. So the plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. Okay? Plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. And the example of aquatic plant is lotus plant. Lotus plant is found in lakes and ponds. Large area full of water is called lakes and ponds. Okay? And lotus plant found in lakes and ponds, right? Next example of aquatic plant is seaweed. Seaweed grows in seas and oceans. A large amount of area full of water, a very large amount of area full of water. They are called seas, oceans, right? So seaweed grows in seas and oceans. Okay? With the development of science, it is possible to grow any plant anywhere. This is done with the help of greenhouses. Now science has developed. That means there is a improvement in science from last many years. From last many years there is a improvement in science. Okay, development means improvement in science from last many years. Okay, साइंस में बहुत सारी टेक्निक्स आ गई हैं from last few years, right? And with the help of science, now we can grow any plant anywhere. It's not need to be wait for a weather, or it's not need to be wait for a place where to grow or where not. Now we can grow any plant anywhere because of science. Okay, this is done with the help of greenhouses. How we can grow plants anywhere with the help of greenhouses. Now what is greenhouse? A building made of glass which is used for growing plants that need protection from the weather. A building made of glass. You can see here a farmer is growing plants, right? And this building is made of glass. You can see this building is made of glass, which is used for growing plants. This farmer is growing plants, right? So means this glass building is used to grow plants that need protection from the weather. The plants which need protection from the weather, which need to be protected from other weather. Okay, suppose the weather outside is not suitable for this plant, then we can protect this plant from outside weather through this glass building, and this glass building is known as greenhouse, right? There are some plants which cannot be grown in different weathers, right? As we have discussed कि जो plants हैं that can grow in a particular weather, right? If we are growing a plant which is not suitable for the weather which is outside, so we should protect them. We have to protect them so that they will be grow, right? And how we can protect them? In a building made of glass, and this building is known as greenhouse. Okay, why we call this building a greenhouse? because we are growing plants in it. We are growing green plants in it. That's why this building is known as greenhouse. Many new fruits, flowers and vegetables which cannot be grown in Indian climatic conditions on a large scale have been introduced to the Indian market. Now as we have made greenhouse, now we know the concept of greenhouse. So what we can do, we can grow new fruits, new flowers, new vegetables which cannot be grown in Indian climatic conditions. The flowers, the fruits, the vegetables which cannot be grown in India, because of its climatic conditions, because of its weather conditions, right? So now with the help of greenhouse we can grow them, because of greenhouse we can protect them from weather and we can grow them. Okay, there were in past few years there were new fruits, flowers, vegetables which cannot be grown in India, but today we can grow it in India because of greenhouse. These fruits, flowers and vegetables are transported from other countries by aeroplanes. So in last few years these fruits, flowers and vegetables we were getting from other countries. And how we are getting it from other countries? By aeroplane, by cargo ships. What are cargo ships? Cargo ships are the ships that use for transportation. The fruits, flowers, vegetables we are getting from other countries that come in our countries with the help of ships, and the ships which carry the things from other countries to our country are called cargo ships. Okay, so how we are getting fruits, flowers, vegetables from other countries? By aeroplanes or by cargo ships. Now what are the flowers, fruits and vegetables we were getting from other countries? Kiwi, broccoli, tulip, orchid. These were the flowers, vegetables and fruits which we were getting from other countries. Now we can grow them with the help of greenhouse. Now there is no need to get them from other countries. अब हम इनको इंडिया में ही बना सकते हैं, इंडिया में ही ग्रो कर सकते हैं. ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ ग्रीन हाउस. There are many unique plants in this world. See, there are many unique plants in this world, like pitcher plants, Venus flytraps, right? So what these plants do is, you can see in the picture two wings of a flower, right? This is a Venus flytrap. So what this plant do is, whenever a fly sit on this flower, these two wings get closed. Okay, these two wings get closed and it will become like this. Okay, it will become like this. It will get closed whenever a fly trap in it, whenever a fly sit on it, then it will be closed. Okay, that's why we call it as fly trap, because fly इसमें बंद हो जाती है, trap हो जाती है. That's why we call it as fly trap. And this is carnivorous plant. So what are carnivorous plants? That eats or that grows with the help of insects, right? We eat food to grow now. That's why in the same way plants need to eat something to grow. So these plants need insects. They grow on insects. Now what you need to do? You have to make the list of unique plants like this. Okay, and you have to write what are they do and are they carnivorous or not. Okay, now the uses of plants, where we can use plants. Okay, So firstly we get fruits and vegetables from plants, that we all know. Second, we get oxygen to breathe. Okay, as we know that we inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide, right? हम जब ब्रीथ इन करते हैं तो वी टेक ऑक्सीजन, एंड जब ब्रीथ आउट करते हैं तो वी ब्रीथ आउट carbon dioxide, right? In the similar way, what trees do? Trees intake carbon dioxide. Whatever carbon dioxide we are breathing out, that carbon dioxide is breathed in by trees, right? तो वो कौन ले लेते हैं? Trees. And what they breathe out? They breathe out oxygen. Okay, and whatever the oxygen they are breathing out, we intake it, right? So we get oxygen to breathe from plants. Next, cereals and pulses. Pulses, dal we eat, that we get from plants. Okay, so in the trunk of tree, you remember I explained you the lower thick part of tree is trunk, right? In trunk there is a small house of birds. So it is a shelter for birds and other animals. Shelter means रहने की जगह, a place to live. Shelter means a place to live. Okay. Next is we get perfumes from flowers like roses and jasmine, right? These are flowers and they grow on plants. Next is cotton fiber. We wear cotton clothes, right? And from where we get cotton fiber? From plants. Medicines, we get medicines from plants, right? Like herbs I explained you, that are used for medicine, right? Next, wood for making furniture. Okay, wood, the trees which are not growing, we can take their wood and we can make furniture. Okay, जो trees अब grow नहीं कर रहे हैं, we can use the wood of that tree to make furniture. Okay, so these were the uses of plants. Now what is the activity you need to do? Collect pictures of things we get from plants and paste them in your notebooks. What you need to do is now collect picture of things, or you can draw the picture of things we get from plants, and that you have to draw in your notebooks. Or you can collect picture of things which we get from plants, that also you have to paste in your notebooks. Okay, so let's revise the complete chapter. What we have studied in plants around us. Firstly, types of plants. Trees, big plants are trees, right? Herbs, shrubs, climbers, creepers, that we all have discussed about it, right? That herbs has soft, thin and green stem. Shrubs has hard stems. Climbers need support of wall to grow. Creepers grow on the ground only, they don't need any wall to grow because their fruits are very heavy. Next, plants grow in different places, as we have discussed that each and every plant can't grow at one place. They need specific weather, they need a particular weather to grow. So specific weather conditions are required. And greenhouses, we have learned about the greenhouse concept, that a glass building in which we can grow plants, whatever plant we want to grow, we can grow in that building, and that is greenhouse. Uses of plants, we get food from plants, we get medicines from plants, and the cotton clothes which we wear, that cotton fiber to make clothes, we get from plants. All right, so this was your chapter, and your chapter is completed now. In next class, in next lecture, we will discuss about the question answers. All right, till then, bye bye, take care everyone.